Welcome back, guys, to another Soapy Shaves video, guys, with me on a beautiful day. Today, we're doing the giveaway, guys. Me, Soapy's on, we're stoked because we're doing the giveaway, and it's been running for so long, and it's about time we close this thing out. So, guys, thank you so much for participating. I just wanted to thank each and every single one of you. I wish I could honestly give everybody here something, but I can't. So, at least we're doing this, and thank you so much again to all of you. Even if you're not going to be a winner, you still are winners to me, all right? Thank you guys again so much for being a part of my channel and making the Soapy Shaves channel so much fun. Guys, on top of that, I just wanted to take one moment and just give Jeremy Fletcher of Mountain Hair Shaving huge shout outs and for making this giveaway a possibility, right? A lot of the things are coming from him. So thank you again to my good friend, basically a channel sponsored, my buddy Jeremy. And guys, whoever wins the brush is lucky. It's beautiful. On top of that, I wanted to also give Leaf a shout out. They've made last year completely way more enjoyable. They were able to allow people to get discounts and gave us a Soapy Shaves affiliate code. And just using Subi as the name, you guys can get 10% off, and that's still running, and that's awesome, and that helps the channel. And I just wanted to give them a shout out as well. They've been, both companies have been, or both people have been a huge part of the channel, and I just wanted to thank both of Leaf and Mountain Hair Shaving. And one last one, we're going to throw out Maxwell June too, because Rob is really, even though they're tiny, is doing everything he can to be a part and affiliated with the channel. That's been great too. So guys, thank you all so much. Let's go do this 500 giveaway and see who wins. All right, you guys can see I have 42 entries. Everybody here should be from the US and continental US, so that we can do the soap set, the splash, and the soap. Guys, I'm going to hit this button for the first time. It has not run yet, and we're going to see who wins. Just so everybody's clear, I wanted to get that right up and close, because last time somebody mentioned that they didn't think their name was included. I have included every single person that was in that video, guys, in that that commented in this list right below. If I can click it. There we go. You guys can see, like, it's a fairly long list. I just copied and pasted, so I got used everybody's correct name. All right, so here we go. We're gonna click this button. There are 5 clicks. We're gonna start at the bottom, guys. User, the shave kit with the valet and the flare tip and the cella and a few other little things goes to, oh, it's so exciting! Stan, my buddy Stan's getting that, man. Buddy Stan. Oh, I love Stan. That gets to go into a good guy. That's going to an all right guy. That's cool with me. I'm sure he'll be double stacking some things and experimenting with the valet, that's for sure. Awesome. Congratulations, Stan. Well done. Number 4 is the Super Speed Valet Cella Shave Kit. Going to Robert. Oh my goodness, you guys. 2 of my best friends. 2 of my really good buddies. Good old Robert's getting that one, dude. Yes! Robert and Stan. Okay. All right. That's not bad. The 3rd shave kit's a Bali. Everyman Jack. We've got cella, some blades. It's more basic. It's going to Dan. Of course it's going to Dan. Dan the man. All right, Dan, I'll make sure you get some good stuff, dude. Make sure you get some good stuff in there in the shave kit. So those are the shave kits. All 3 of the shave kits are done. We're going to go to the Holy Caw soap set, guys. This is the Dance of the Aragumes is beautiful. It's very floral and fragrant, and it's got that tallow base, which is just, it's legendary. Jeff, man, nice. Oh my goodness, he was the one that came in close to the close. Oh, that's sweet, Jeff. I bet you're stoked, man. That is the second, not the grand prize, but that's like we're gonna call that the VIP prize. So that's awesome. Congratulations. Mountain Hair Shaving Brush, guys. Here we go. The moment's here. We're gonna click the button, and then there's no one doing it. Here we go. Ah, check it out. Check it out, guys. Here we are. Can't believe it's happening. Thank you guys so much again. James Burner, come on down. You have won the final grand prize, guys. James Burner, woo, woo. That's awesome, buddy. That's great. What I'm gonna need from each of you, Stan, Robert, Dan, Jeff, and James, is for you to send me your information so that I can get you guys the stuff you need. Another way you guys can get in contact with me is just go, if we're on Facebook, we're probably already friends. I know I'm friends with Stan, I'm friends with Dan. I think I may be friends with Robert. Guys, I just pee me and I'll get you guys the stuff. I'll just send me your address. But make sure to guys, if you don't have my information on Facebook or not connected that way, to send it to joshperkins0828@gmail.com. Again, that's joshperkins0828@gmail.com. And I'll make sure to get you guys the stuff immediately and quickly. That's my goal. Thank you guys so much again for being a part of this. Again, if you didn't win, it's all right. There's better luck next time if we ever get to next time. Keep in mind, at 1,000, we're going to shave the entire face for the first time ever. If that ever happens. And we're also going to do some other like small, like I think holiday giveaways and things. So guys, thank you so much again. Stick around. We got fun stuff coming up. I'm so excited. Yes! Congratulations to you winners. Lucky, lucky winners. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. You got me. You got Sophie. And we're back for another day with a giveaway today, guys. I'm so excited. She is so excited. We cannot wait. It's happening, guys. It's happening today. And we're going to be spinning the Subi wheel. Thank you to all 42 of you guys that have registered your votes and have participated. And guys, so much again for being a part of the Subi Shaves channel. I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate it. And then again, this is the least I could do. I wish I could give everybody on the channel something. Let's go spin this wheel and see who's gonna win what. We've got 5 giveaways for the 500. Yes, let's do it.